So what do we do when our phone is broken? Okay, for cracked screen, come here to Toko Bintang. Toko Bintang is the place to go for cracked phone. Let's go inside. You give to the technician the screen and your phone. You've got a number. There are the technicians, and you will get your phone repaired within about 30 minutes. So as well as repairs, as you can see, it's got lines and lines of protectors for your mobile. It also has, if we look down here, headphones, and of course it has microphones, and if you come here, it has tripods. There's almost everything. It has mice for computers. It's a great store for electronics. That's all I can